I run into an interesting situation. My brother-in-law cooking something on the street. Mr. Henry.
Hi guys.
What's going on? What are you cooking?
Stomach.
Stomach?
Chicken.
Chicken stomach is not stomach.
What is that?
Chicken guts, chicken intestine.
Not liver. Liver is
No, it's not liver.
that is not liver.
So, chicken intestine on the stick,
Bituka.
on barbecue.
Stomach. This is a stomach.
It's not a stomach. A stomach is a gizzard.
Yeah.
So did you put on the stick? Did you put them on the stick? Did you put them on the stick?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is it coming from? Like bought in the flea market, on the store, or where?
Coming from?
From the flea market, marketplace?
Yeah.
Where from?
You know what is the in this?
Oh, so somebody has a business here
Yeah.
to selling it. Oh,
Put the ketchup.
ketchup? This
Yeah.
is ketchup or vinegar or just ketchup?
Ketchup. This is
Spicy ketchup.
spicy ketchup.
So those are ready here in the
When you try, you taste. You taste one.
No, it's too soft for me. I don't mind it.
You did not eat that.
No,
Why?
it is crispy.
This is a crispy also.
No, but this one is soft.
Because this is
It's not crispy.
okay. We're back.
It's like. So did you make this barbecue? Barbecue. Did you make it?
Boy.
Boy make it, or did he buy in the store?
He boy make it.
Boy make it. So what?
Plain sheet.
What about the stand?
That is a
sewing machine.
bit
Or what?
of a table.
Oh, the camping table.
Yeah.
Oh,
The table is get fold, yet fold. Like
yeah, fold up table.
Psst.
Just kill them. They're gonna fly away.
The pigeon what?
Yeah. Nice girl. Didn't wanna kill them. Looks like it's not the first time you're doing this.
Yeah.
It's the first
Many
time?
times? No, not first time. Many times.
Many times.
Yeah.
And you clean this, or when you buy it, it's already clean?
It's already clean.
Already clean. Raw or cooked? Or
It's already clean and then the cook.
cooked, so you just have to fry it.
Right.
Ah, I mean barbecue it.
Already.
The charcoal is like, looks like it's coconuts.
No, that is a wood.
It's a wood charcoal?
Wood. Charcoal.
Because I
That's
saw,
not a coconut.
no, I saw coconut
shell?
charcoal. Yeah,
No, that is a. I don't know what is kind of wood.
yeah. But I saw the bag like
I know that is a
coconut.
mango tree.
It's a mango tree. It's
They make a charcoal.
oh, a mango tree is giving
Fresh mango tree.
it's giving a special taste. The mango tree.
Already cooked.
Like for example,
It's already cooked.
I don't know, man. You are the chef, not
That
me.
is already cooked.
I think it's better if you overcook it than it's raw.
Cook also. It's already cooked.
Not is cooked, but this one is questionable.
Did you see?
Oh, and it's cooked, but this and is soft. And this one is chicken gizzard on the stick, barbecued, cleaned, and this one is really good. I really like it actually. I am Hungarian, In Hungary, we make goulash from this. From the gizzard, we make goulash.
Goulash.
Yeah, and it's very good and it's fairly expensive because you need a lot of gizzard to make one serving goulash.
Yes.
And that one is double light
Double lights.
Imperador.
Yeah. So delicious.
So when you drinking the double light, your head will be light. Okay, so what you guys eating?
Chicken intestines.
Again?
Again.
Every day?
Every day. If they gonna eat, taste
Okay.
it. I'm gonna taste it.
It's spicy?
No suka.
Not spicy.
Juicy?
Juicy and crispy.
Juicy and crispy. That is good. But what's the sauce on it? Can I have a bite?
Yeah.
Kanina ayaw niya.
You bite it. Good.
Actually, it's good.
Maybe.
Third times. Maybe I changed my mind and I'm going to like it.
Yeah, of course. It's good.
No vinegar.
If we live here, we're gonna cook. This is our business.
If we live or when we live.
Here in Philippines.
If or when.
Someday.
Someday.
We're gonna. Gina Janos. Isaw.
Sounds like you already marketing.
Yeah. Maybe the
Here come you. Forehead. No, not yet. So Henry, you did a good job, they saying.
very good.
Master chef.
That
Mr.
is my
Henry. Speciality.
special ingredients. Then I will put this special ingredient. I will put the soy and then what we call paminta,
Pepper.
Salt.
pepper, and then salt. Salt.
What make it spicy? Pepper?
You spice.
Spicy is the ketchup.
Ketchup is spicy ketchup. Oh,
And
is a
then
banana ketchup or a normal ketchup?
Onion.
It's banana ketchup daw. Ano yung ginamit mo ketchup?
Banana ketchup.
Banana.
It's banana
Sarap,
ketchup.
sarap,
Not
sarap.
tomato sauce. Not tomato.
Spicy.
Banana.
Banana ketchup. So he put into everything what is need to be, and he put into his heart too in the cooking.
Yeah. Really good.
Really good.
You want
And
some
there
more?
is already prepared. And that one already has some spice on
Baby.
too.
Ketchup. Tingnan mo yan.
Yummy, yummy. Really good.
This is good idea, yeah.
I'm not sure it's a good idea. Now I eat three gizzard. The gizzard is really good. But this is good too.
I'm gonna ask how he make it. I'm gonna cook there for you.
A gizzard?
Gizzard.
I know how to make it. I already figured it out. I try to be like a Filipino, eating 3 times a day, rice. Eating chicken guts. And just after 3 weeks, what's gonna happen with me?
Baby, I'm gonna ask.
You're gonna what?
Janet gonna be jealous.
Janet's gonna be jealous.
Yeah.
Oh, Janet.
Oh, Janet.
Poor Janet. So this one already has a spice on it, Henry.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a hot paprika there. He said a pepper, chili pepper.
Saan?
Ito yung may-ari yung ano asawa ni Jun.
She wanna buy or what?
No, they're the one own. We're
Oh.
gonna ask how much the price that one.
Negotiable naman po eh.
Okay, Shabo.
Magkano?
How much is the asking price?
Ano, 1.8.
1.8. It's kind of pricey. My brother-in-law spent all day barbecuing exotic Filipino street food. So, naturally, we spent all day eating it. Isaw grilled chicken gizzard. And of course, the star of the show, a roasted pork head staring at us from the table. And look, almost nothing left over. Either we were very hungry or his cooking was just that good. Let's go with both. This is not leftover, It's evidence. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Hungriet and his wife is the global Canadian couple. They are exploring the world. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share. Want to join their next journey? Hit the bell so you never miss an update.